This case was unique in the sense it was against the city. A trash truck smashed into our client, and he suffered really bad back pain. But what was unique in it is the extent to which the city tried to escape liability by following him around with sub rosa videos for years, videoing our client in his pajamas outside walking. These really intimate things that you don't expect, especially your own government, to spend the resources trying to catch him in a potential lie. Elliott was very adept at creating anger in part of the jurors for a city not only to deny responsibility, but then to go and spend resource after resource of actively trying to, aha, I caught you in a lie.
I met Elliott right around 2017, 2018 when he started his practice. He was a criminal defense attorney before that. So we're sitting there and he starts taking this young lady's deposition to defendants. I'm watching him and I'm like, this guy's amazing. He's so good. And it kind of hit me. I'm like, I don't think he realizes how good he is in the civil PI world.
There was a great moment in this case where the defense hired their own medical doctor to do a medical examination on our client, but it was very favorable to our client. And so what the city did is, instead of bringing up their own doctor, they just didn't call him as a witness. They just tried to hide it and bury it under the rug. So of course, Elliott was like, well, I'm going to subpoena him and show the jury what exactly the city's trying to hide. So he capitalized on that and was able to do a very powerful, not just a direct examination of the useful facts, but also about, hey, you were actually hired by the defense and they didn't want to call you. You didn't come here other than for me telling you you had to be here. Is that right?
When you see someone who's an artist in their own craft, I think they're their own harshest critic. He's the type who walks away from that deposition or a trial going, I should have done this, and I could have done that. Maybe I should have tweaked this differently, whereas everyone else goes, wow, you did a phenomenal job.
Who is the greatest lawyer ever?
My daddy.
How do you know?
Because he works hard. Because he's determined to win.